Hello, if you are watching this video, it means that you have gotten to your first assignment in U.S. history. I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do for that and show you how to turn it in. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to encourage you again to work off of your activity list, not the to-do list. Make sure that you're coming into the class and you're working literally starting with 1.01, then taking the quiz, 1.02 lesson pages, taking the quiz, 1.03 lesson pages, taking the quiz, same with 4, and now you're here to lesson 1.05. Make sure that you have gone through all of the lesson pages because that's where you're going to find the information for this assignment. It is 4 pages long, and you can use these tools over here to help you read or have the material read to you. Look up words in the dictionary. If you'd like to learn about those tools, check out my YouTube channel. It is referenced up above on the landing page, and you can see videos on how to use Buzz. It will explain that to you. So make sure you read through and you understand the different information provided within these slides. This type of a slide is actually interactive, and you get to go through the next images in order to learn everything you need to on that page. Okay, more information there. If you click on the icons here, it will give you information. And then on page 4, the last page of the lesson, last pages of a lesson are always a description of what you need to do for your assignment. So for this assignment, you have an activity. There are 2 parts to the activity, part 1 and part 2. This is a copy of the grading rubric that you can use, but if this is a confusing way for you to complete the assignment, don't worry. I've made it user-friendly. Remember, that was one of my promises to you, is to make my class as user-friendly as possible. So when you come in here to the course 1.05, under the lesson pages, you're going to see this, 1.05, Economics and Slavery Forced Google Doc. If you click on that, I have made a Google document worksheet, and when you click on this, it will ask you to make a copy, and then you can go ahead and make that copy. Once you have this ready to go, you can answer the questions. I have the directions right here. By now, you should be able to explain domestic and international interdependence. You should also be able to recognize the jobs performed by enslaved Africans, the impact of slavery on America's economy, the cruel reality of slavery, and alternatives the colonists might have considered. So here are the 4 questions. You can respond to it in the white box below. Make sure you use complete sentences. Make sure you give details. You can look back into the lesson pages to get that information. One sentence answers, try to stretch and grow beyond just one sentence. I know you can do it. And then here is part 2. Respond to each question below in your own words. Again, write your answers in the white sections below and refer back to the lesson pages to help you form your answer. Finally, here's the rubric that I am using. Did you include content that was supported with details from the lesson? Remember, look back, get those details. Oh, where's the rest of it? Oh, it didn't give the, oh, I need to fix that. Let me go in here. Let's go back this way. Always fun when things aren't quite the way I expected them to be. All right, I'll go to that last page. And here's the grading rubric. All right, so the contents. If you are using complete sentences and you included supporting details that came from the lesson, your own ideas are great, but make sure that they're also tied to the material from the lesson. Also, same thing for quality. You have well-written, thoughtful responses that include historical details from the lesson. And then finally is your presentation. Is it organized? Does it have good spelling and good grammar? This has a maximum of 100 points. All right, so once you've completed this assignment, you are going to go to the submission page, which is right here. And in the comment box, all you need to do is you copy this address for your Google document, if that's what you chose to use, and paste it right here in the comments section and click submit your work. If you have any questions, remember always, always, always reach out to me, set up an appointment, send me an email. I am here to help you. Bye. See ya.